In today's video, I'll show you how to change the colors of your charts in Looker Studio. Whether you want your reports to look more professional or simply make your data easier to read, customizing chart colors is quick and very effective. First, open your web browser and go to Looker Studio. If you already have it bookmarked, you can head straight there. Once the page loads, log in with your account so you can access and edit your reports. After logging in, open the report you want to customize and make sure you're in edit mode. Now, click on the chart you want to change. As soon as you select it, a settings panel will appear on the right side of your screen. From this panel, click on the Style tab. This is where all visual customization options live. Scroll until you find the section called Color By. Depending on the chart type, you'll see different options. For bar or column charts, you can choose series order, bar order, or a single color. For pie charts, you can color by slice order or apply one color to the entire chart. Once you choose a color option, click the color box next to it. A color picker will open, allowing you to select a shade visually or enter a custom value. You can paste a hex color code or type a CSS color name if you want precise branding. As you choose colors, you'll see the chart update instantly. When you're happy with the look, click Done. That's it. Your chart colors are now updated and your report looks cleaner, clearer, and more engaging. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.